to support me. Masavet Glory, from Limpopo there, you come here. Your money, your husband is alone there. Thank you so much. I appreciate my friend, my Piwe. Piwe mina, Piwe mngani. Ngiyabonga my friend. Thank you so much. First day when I say my party, hey, I want to do a party, but I don't have money. You said I'm coming. Count me in. Count me in. Count me in. People who are here, most of them, they knew this party before, and they said count me in. They didn't say I won't come, blah 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 blah. I thank you guys. Thank you, Piwe. Thanks for your effort. You prepare my video. You prepared the group. Now it was owned by you. So thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate everything that you did for this party. Yay! Mother, I thank you so much. You know, you are the only mother here in Gauteng to be my mother. You came here and support me. I thank you so much. You know, when I tell you, say, hey Suzan, and you did say to me, as from now, when you go somewhere, please go with me. Guys, my mother, she's 60 years. Look at her, she's still young. I want to be like her.
This year.
She's turning 61 this year. She's a teacher, she's still young. And she said to me, wherever you want to go, I want to go with you. So I told her I have party. She said, I'm going with you. My brother, thank you so much, my sister.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for your effort. What I like about you is the friend that you bring to me. They won't take it from you. They won't take me from you. You are my friend. They will be my friend. You see, you are a lot of friends. Everyone has a piece. My stomach is big. You can eat all of you here. So I like to thank you. I did my pedicure. I think I put it right. Because I have friends, those who love me. She did my pedicure for free, guys. Wow. So thank you so much, my friend. You make me beautiful, even if I'm wearing this, but I saw it there. Yes. My blessing. Thank you so much, sis. In 3 days, you just heard that I have a party. Guys, listen to this one. She heard that I'm having a party in a week's time, and she said I'm going. I just add her because they said she's going. And truly speaking, honestly, she just paid full amount in 1 day. And she just came, and we met day before, and we clicked, and we were happy to meet today. Thank you so much, you made my day. I don't want to lie. Oxy, the lady who did this, she's the one who buy this dress, guys. She's the one here, she's the one who put Toto online. I'm like this today because of you. That's why I say, Brandy, don't worry, still have peace here. All of you have peace here. Thank you so much, Oxy. Thank you for supporting me. My baby, my baby, my baby. She was there from day one. Mama, this every day. Mama, what are you wearing? Mama, this online every day. We were changing dresses. Shaiseko, thank you so much, my dear, my baby. Okay. Kapeta, kidna Mamela na kapeta na eta ne. Shai, my baby, thank you so much for your snack. We eat nice. Guys, my baby bought snacks for us, ne? Thank you so much, my baby girl. She was there day and night. Mommy, and then now. Mommy, and then now. And then my sister, my twin, my best. Ne? My best, she's here. They are there. Ne? So with my sister, Nomsa, I thank you so much. She come with a friend. She come with my friends from Limpopo, 7-hour drive to support me here. I thank you so much. You did a lot for me.
You know.
The cake, she did that cake for me. So I thank you so much, my sister. Me, Nana, you know, we fight today, and then tomorrow we are no longer fighting. Your kids are my kids. My house is your house. It's the way we are. No, we don't share.
Everything is fine.
And then my Cindy, so my friend. I thank you, my friends. I know you are busy. You are a busy woman now. You are busy studying. And she was like, my friend, I would love to come to your party, but my salary now, all mutual is killing me. And I'm like, yo, I'm doing business. Why don't she join and do business with me? My friend, I'm busy with school, blah, 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 blah. I don't have money to come to the party. And guess what? Last week she said to me, Joy, let me give you money for deposit. Last week, she started paying last week. Wow. But since she's telling me story from March, that she's going to school and this and this and this. And I'm like, okay, it's fine, my friend. But last week, yeah, something just say, no, we have to go there. Thank you so much, everyone. Mr. Mtileni, this one is my photographer. Yeah, it's my photographer. Logan Shagata Kuyaka photo shoot, I use him. So, Gauteng people, Randfontein, East Gate, please use my brother. Last person, I would like to thank my Jeffrey's sister, my husband, friend, family friend, my Igwe, she's everything to me. Thank you so much, my Skoni. I thank you. From Limpopo to here, you are a busy person. Even now we are getting call from what do you call that house? Tribal, yeah.
From tribal.
So thank you so much, guys. Mina, I don't have words. I just want to thank all of you. I'll thank my husband when I arrive at home. Mommy, I'll call him. She's the one who made me to be here today. And Dad, he may rest in peace. I thank you.